Hello and welcome back to the third episode of Two Peas in a Podcast. We are here today. We're going to talk about another tool.
Which one?
It is called Handbrake. No. It's just called Handbrake.
Handbrake. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's just called Handbrake.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay. I get it.
Yeah. Well,
All right. We'll be okay.
Yeah, we'll be okay. So, what is Handbrake exactly?
Yes. Well, Handbrake is a way to convert your regular video to an MP4 file, and that makes it compressed, so you can run it and save it at a lower resolution.
Right. So it's basically like taking a piece of paper like this.
Yes, like that.
And you want to make it smaller.
Yes.
So this is what Handbrake does. But guess what? It still works the same way.
It's still the same paper. If I open this up, it has the same information as it did before.
Exactly.
I see. I love it. Well, let's show them how to do that.
All right, let's show them.
Okay, so you would need to download Handbrake. It is free. How much does it cost?
I was just going to say that. You can't
I'm
talk
so
the whole
sorry.
thing.
I'm so sorry. I get excited.
It's Two Peas in a Podcast.
Yes.
Right? There's not one P. Green bean.
Okay.
All right. So, yes, it is free.
And this is what it looks like, a pineapple.
With a drink with umbrellas.
Kool-Aid. It's a Kool-Aid, a glass of Kool-Aid. Well, we already have a video there, but don't get intimidated by all of the buttons, because there's a lot of buttons there.
There are a lot of buttons, but really it's real simple to utilize. It's literally drag, drop, and click.
Perfect. Well, let's do that then. So we already have a video that we recorded,
Right.
and you'll notice that it says MOV. It's just a movie. It's just a video.
MOV is a movie file, video file, right?
And if we check the resolution, it is actually 48.9 megabits. It's under 100, but let's pretend that it's over 100.
Yeah, wow, that's 489 megabits.
Woo!
That's a lot.
So all we're going to do is actually drag our video into Handbrake. There it is.
All right, so now you just have to do a couple of things here. So you can edit the presets, which can determine the quality of the video.
Correct.
Under general, and you have very fast, high quality, or super high quality. So you can select whichever one you want. And in this instance, we're just going to go general with fast, 1080p. And then we have that it's aligned AV start, MP4 file. You want to make sure that you're saving as an MP4 file.
Right.
And then you can give your file a name.
What's the name of it? What do you want to name it?
Whatever you want.
Let's name it Two Peas in a Pod.
That's beautiful. And now all you have to do is green start, and boom, as you can see at the bottom of the screen, the encoding is going on.
Wow.
And over on our
That's
desktop,
fast.
we had this icon pop up, Two Peas in a Pod, and notice the .mp4 versus a .mov. So that's the difference. That's how you know that you saved it as an MP4 file.
That's perfect.
So now what you have to do, the most difficult step of this whole process, is figuring out how to close an icon in Apple.
I love it. You're funny.
So you just have to go, and then this is difficult because I want everyone to see this.
Okay. Click the red X.
Yeah,
That's impressive.
it. That's all you have to do. Really.
One last thing. Let's just check and see if it did change the speed. So we'll right click on that, get info, and look, now it is only 8.2 megabytes.
So it went from... See, and this is why I don't like Macs. Right here.
All you do is right click.
Oh, yeah.
Right-click.
All you do is right click.
Oh,
Right.
get info.
Yeah.
And look at the difference.
Look, see? There you go.
That's all you do with Handbrake.
Oh, I'm about to Handbrake you.
Hey, we'll see you guys.
Bye, guys.